Hey guys, Mr. Mom 713 here again, back in the kitchen. What if I told you I could get you over 50 grams of protein for lunch or dinner in one meal? Super quick, and I guarantee you'll like it because it tastes like pizza. Who doesn't like pizza? Let me show you the ingredients real quick and then we're gonna get it going. We got the spicy chicken bites, 4 ounces of 96 lean beef, 1 to 2 servings of the pizza cheese. So probably one serving, but you never know. You might want to get cheese, you can throw another one in there. Of course, you're gonna have 2 servings of your pizza sauce. And the secret ingredient is gonna be the Flavor God pizza seasoning. You gotta go get this. I found this at Walmart. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cook the meat. I'm gonna air fry the little nuggets here. 1 serving, make sure you measure out 1 serving. 1 serving is 3 ounces. Measure out 1 serving. Do not just dump them in there because you'll end up eating like 4 or 5 servings, okay? It's way too much. So 1 serving of these, plus the meat, plus the pizza sauce, and that's all you need. Throw a little cheese on top. It's so easy, all right? And it tastes so good. The macros are gonna get you over 50 grams of protein in one meal, all right? Super easy to make. I'm gonna show you how to do it with you, see you at the table, and then we'll go over the macros, okay? Let's get it, come on. Let me show you why you have to measure this. While the meat's cooking over there, get your scale, okay? 1 serving is 3 ounces. This right here is a little over 3 ounces. The bag, let me just dump them all in there. Guess what, they're so good you will eat them all right? But you'll eat 2 to 3 servings. Okay, so make sure that's why you have to measure everything. Little pro tip, if you don't have one of these for your meat, chop it up, get you one. Makes it so much easier. But look, it just chops up that meat so quick. And we're gonna season it with the secret. We're gonna do 1/4 cup pizza sauce. Make sure you measure it. Don't just dump it in there. You end up dumping that whole bottle in there. Spicy nuggets are done. See those? Just add those on top. What I'm gonna do as well, just to get spicy nuggets some more pizza flavor, I'm gonna add a little more pizza sauce on there. Of course, we're gonna hit it with the Flavor God. Sprinkle the pizza cheese on there. And look at that. It smells like something you get at a restaurant. Seriously, you gotta try this one. This one, just transfer this to the plate. All right, so this meal right here is so easy to make. We're coming in at about 490 calories, 51 grams of protein, 20 grams of fat, and 17 carbs. And it smells like something you get at a restaurant. Because remember, over 50 grams of protein, you just can't beat it. Made it in probably in about 10 minutes. You gotta try this one, it's so good. Spicy chicken with the pizza seasoning. Man, I don't know what to tell you. If you don't try this, wow, you gotta try this one. Let's go. Man, come on now. This is why you gotta measure everything. I guarantee if you don't, you will eat. If you fill up this plate, you will eat the entire thing. Wow, this is good.